with a new video, that is Krisha's trip to Bannerghatta nature camp. So friends, we came here to stay in the jungle lodges and we are going to go to the safari, butterfly park and also the Bannerghatta zoo. If you're ready, let's get started. Friends, this is the wooden cottage we're staying in and it is called the Jungle Farm. So friends, this is a beautiful cottage and I want to show you what is inside. So friends, this is a beautiful cottage and it's wood all around. That me. Wait, is he making it? Friends, this is where yummy food for us is cooked.
Jamun patah. Sate patah. Palak paneer, bhindi.
Okay,
Baby corn.
friends, it's a misty morning now. Can you hear the birds chirping? Sounds so beautiful. And now it's time for us to go to a nature trail. So let's get started. So friends, this is the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed me going to the safari, butterfly park, the zoo and the amazing jungle lodges. I'll see you in our next amazing video. Until then, keep loving me and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.